it doesn't fall down. Alright, there you go. There you go. Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready. This is recording. I'm also recording on my computer. Okay. Remember to like the video, guys, for those who are on. Alright, let me try and move this cake out of the way just a little bit. We'll get into the cake soon. What is my computer doing? Not today. The devil, the law. Hi guys, remember to like the video. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking. Hi, hello. How's your day? My day is great, and yours? Let me turn the music down a bit. How is your day? Like the video. Why is my computer acting up today? I'm trying to record it so I can have like something I can upload for those who didn't get to see the live. But now my computer is acting up today. I don't know why. All of a sudden. Come on. Alright, we'll get in the celebration soon. I have this cake right here. I want to show you guys. And my son actually went into the refrigerator, pushed his hand in and took off some of the icing. So it's a bit messed up. Even at the front I made a mistake and push it in and part of it is now gone. But nevertheless, I really want to taste it. I never had a cake like this before, so yes guys. And I also have this to celebrate and to thank you guys. Oh, remember to like the video for those who are on. Thank you so much. And I'm also going to open my packages that I received, so stay tuned for that. Why is my computer acting up? Let's press escape. Let me try and see what is happening to this computer, because I don't understand. Probably I'll have to use this live, but because it's this way, it's gonna be a bit of problem. Escape. Come on. Why can't it up now? All along. That's good. Oh Lord, my computer is starting over. Hi guys. Thank you for subscribing. If you're a subscriber, today I'm going to celebrate, but I'm just trying to get this laptop up so I can record it for those who missed the live. So if you're a subscriber, hello and thank you. Hello, I subscribe. Hi, thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. So you're part of the crew that made this today. It's 500. I know you're not seeing it full on the live, but I will make a video. That is why I'm trying to get this laptop up. But it planned to hack up today all of a sudden. So trying to get this up so I can record it for those who missed the video. I have this big cake here for you guys. We're gonna share it today, and I also have my never opened one before. So let's see how the struggle is going to be. All right, and I also have my confetti, my juice, and we have also some packages that I want to open. Ensure to like the video, guys. Alright, so my computer is loading. Just give me a minute, guys. Hi, like the video. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Thank you. And thank you for 500 subscribers. I'm celebrating. Last month was my birthday. So I think this is a good birthday gift because I didn't do anything. I wasn't in the mood for a birthday celebration, but this is enough. And I thank God and I thank you guys for liking and subscribing. This is the best birthday gift because I didn't get to do anything in October. But I hit 500 in October, so that's a good birthday gift for me, and I thank you. And I also got the subscriber cake, which is also a representation of my birthday cake. So I think it's really fitting for what I'm doing now because I didn't do anything for my birthday. So this is like a birthday celebration, alright? I'm not 500 years old though. Not 500 years old, but it's a good celebration. I'm trying to get this laptop up and running. For those who missed the live, I'm going to create a short video for them. I'm also going to open my packages that I received. So stay tuned for that, guys. Oh, like the video, like the video. Like the video as you come on, like the video. Nobody's not liking the video. Like the video so my subscribers can know that I am on. Alright, it's up now. My laptop is up and running. Let's see if it's still gonna give problems. What should I name this video? Cake Day. Cake Day. Alright, come. I'm gonna name it Cake Day and see what happens. Alright. Alright. Recording, screen recording, movie recording. Like the video as you come on. What's that? I'm gonna tell my friends about you. They will sub. Alright. Tell your friends. Thank you. Happy late. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so my computer is up again. Yay! Yay, yay. I can start. I wonder if it's gonna set up properly. Oh no, need to fix a bit more. My computer is up and running. My computer is up and running. Okay. Cute. I like this. It's so cute. Oh. It's gonna be a wonderful video. Yes, I like this. It's cute. Alright, so my theme song. Let's play our theme song and begin. Not waiting on any other person. Just like the video, guys. So my other subscribers that can know that I'm on. Let me play my theme song. Alright, ready. Not waiting on any more persons because this is just going to be 1 hour or probably 30 minutes. I'm ready to begin. Like the video, guys. It's right at the top. Thank you so much. Alright, now, today I'm celebrating 500 subscribers. For those who are just coming on, last month was my birthday, so I think this is a good fitting. Now I'm going to open my cake. I really want to see it. Alright, so I'm going to open my cake. I haven't opened it. I received it yesterday and I was anxious to open it, guys. I'm so excited to see it. Oh, for persons who are just coming on, my son he did it on purpose. He pushed his hand in the box and grabbed some of the icing, but nevertheless, I want to taste it. I want to see it. So let's do this. And then I'm going to put this on top, take some pictures and stuff like that. There's 4 persons on the live. Please do like at the top. All right. For the video here, I have a live going on. For those who missed the live, I have a live going here. So that's why I'm looking at this direction. You should have been on the live. All right. So this is my cake. I'm excited. So in the background is my theme song playing. If you haven't recognized, for those who are watching my channel. Alright, so I'm going to cut it from here. Let me put it more in the camera so you can see what is happening. Okay. Alright. Should I cut it? I think I'm going to cut it. And take it back up. Because it's going to be hard to unstaple this thing. All right, guys. Try and put it more in the camera. It's not showing so beautiful. So I accidentally pushed the box in, so it's missing some of the parts there, but it's cute. Oh my god, so cute. So this is my birthday cake and my subscriber cake in one. I'm going to tape it back up when I'm done. Because I'm going to need to store it properly. Look at this ball, please. Can this eat? Delicious. Thank you, guys. Isn't it cute, guys? These represent like balloons and stuff like that. And you have the 500 there. Nice. Thank you, guys. Alright, so I have my gifts that I want to open and I want to cut this cake. Oh my god. Alright, guys, and watching the video, if you missed the live, here's my cake. I'm gonna put it over. Should I bring this over so you can see? Yeah. There you go, guys. You missed the live. So you'd have to get what you get, okay? Alright, there it is. There it is. I accidentally pushed the box in for those who saw the video, the short that I made. So that is it right there. I want to cut my cake and I want to open my confetti. Husband! Bring a knife, come please. You want my knife or your knife? The orange knife. Thank you. Come on, I'm on the line. What is wrong with you? Alright guys, so I'm gonna cut my cake. And after I cut my cake, watch me open this thing, which is gonna make a lot of mess. I don't even know how to open it. What if it's gonna work? Will it work? Alright, so let's see how this works now. Guys, don't laugh at me. Don't laugh after me. Don't laugh after me. Alright. What is alright? Guys, this video is so cute. I'm not have to upload this. No. It's cute. Anyways, alright, so what is that? One Aragosa, one Aragosa. Make up your mind. What do you want me to spin? Thank you. When the bounce is something catch up in What you doing? What you want? You want to open it for me? A two-way to turn it up? Nobody want me to show it. Oh my God, don't be! Don't explode. Don't explode. You want to open it? No, I never opened one before. You want to open it? Should I? I never opened one before. All I get up for the cake. I'm afraid. Alright. Even though I never opened one before, I make you open it. Yeah, open it for me? Wait, no! Remember one arrow say grown and the arrow, I don't want to say, go the other way. I never opened one before. Alright, open it for me. Alright, wait. I'm nervous. I like going up on the cake. Let me fix the camera. Alright guys, so my husband, this is so cute though. Alright, so guys, those that are watching the video, my husband is going to open this confetti. The cake is already open, so I probably should have do the confetti before. You should get one good. I'm afraid. What the game? Alright guys, you should get one good. 1, 2, I'm nervous, get one good. 1, 2, 3. You we get it. Oh my God! Oh my God! I should have said happy 500 subscribers, but it's fine. Or happy belated birthday to moi. Thank you guys. Look at my face. Oh my beautiful 22-inch hair. Alright. Whoa, that is something else. Alright, that is good. I like it. That's fine. It's just everywhere. Alright. Where did I do it? Alright, so let's cut the cake now, guys. Those are on the line. You should have been seeing the cake a bit clearer, but it's fine, I guess. Alright. She is sus. Alright. Never mind that. Alright, so let's cut the cake. This balloon isn't moving. Balloon frightened out of place. Alright. Let's cut this cake now, guys. Pull down the screen a little bit more. Down more. Thank you. That's beautiful. Alright. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 500 subscribers and happy belated birthday to me. Yay! Thank you guys for 500 subscribers.
500 years old.
Come on, tell me like. Oh my god, this cake looks so delicious. Alright guys, this video is so cute, bro. You know, so this lighting on the face. So cute. Alright guys, my son really wants a piece of this cake. So I'm going to try. Confetti is like everywhere, so I don't think I want to try and get it in the cake. I want to open my gifts. I will share some of the cake for you in my post so you guys can have some. But right now, confetti is like everywhere. So I don't want it to get in the cake and my son accidentally eat any of it. So I'm going to put this aside. And open my gifts. Ooh, this is it's too cute if you put aside, man. If you put it around here, so right as I put it, too cute. It's just too cute. You don't even want to eat it. Don't even want to eat it. Alright, let's open my gifts. Where's the scissors? There are the scissors. And if you have been watching my videos, guys, you can see that I usually don't remember to take out the scissors. But I had the scissors, but no, I can't find it. Daddy! Scissors, please. Alright. So I'm going to put this in. I want to take some pictures on the cake. Oh, this now. Oh, so. Ooh, cute. You guys will see the post that I will make. Alright, so I have my gifts here that I want to open. Happy late birthday, hi. Memphis 13, hi. Alright, so I have this package here. I collected them yesterday and I thought it would fit into just open it on here because it's my belated birthday and I also hit 500 in October, which is my month. So I thought it fit in to just open it here. I don't even know what is in that one, you know. But I want to open it because I want to know what is in this package. What was this again? Sometimes I buy things that I don't even remember what I'm buying. Because to how long I bought it, I forgot why I even bought it. Why did I buy this? Why did I buy this? Oh, I think I'm going to find use for it eventually. Alright, this is what I've been waiting for. So right now, this phone is catched up, basically. So I bought a tripod for my phone. So whenever I'm going to record in public and I don't have anybody to hold my phone for me, I can always bring this tripod. I have other tripods, but it's for my lights. And it has like a bulge. So I don't want to bring that with me because it's too big and bulky. So this one is much narrower and shorter and slimmer. So this would be a good fit to just bring around. Oh, and it has like a case. So if I'm going to vlog on the road. Oh, guys, so cute. It's so my champagne. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. Guys, I got this from Temu. Some people said Temu, some people said Temu, etc. Yes, but oh, it's the duck egg one. What's the name called it? Duck egg. Beats me. Alright. So this is the tripod that I bought online. It's a good birthday gift. So it's for my phone for when I'm vlogging outside. I'm not scared to vlog in public, you know, because I'm doing it for fun. It's my hobby. I like it. Oh yes, so this probably I can even catch up this phone and this, but I don't know. I don't want to move it and then the angle and everything will change. Oh my god, it's so tall. So tall. It's so tall. I hope you guys are hearing me because that was a bit low. This video is cute. I really like that video. Oh, this go down now, Jesus. Oh my god. I'll say this there. I'll figure it out. This is nice. I like this. What team was some quality stuff, man? People not playing. Alright, so this part is to hold the phone. This cake's sweet. No, Sammy, I've got to distribute this. Cake sweet. I smell it from here, so. Oh my god, I'm just glad I got my tripod for my phone. It's so atrocious. Where is this? What are they with this? What are they with this? I have no idea. Alright, let's see what I do with this part. Okay, I'm gonna open the other gift because this is gonna take long. I'm not the first, I'm not the one. I am not the one. Alright. I'll figure this out on a later date. Now for the other package that I got, it came just in time for this video. In the way, no. This one? That's not the camera. Alright, not sure what is in this. What is this? Alright, I would have to do them one at that time. Let's see what these are. What is this? Oh my god. Sometimes I buy things and I don't really know. What is... Oh, alright. Alright guys, let's tell you what this is. Alright, so for those who are watching my hair video, I mentioned that I want to do some or try some different things with my hair. My hair is 21 to 22 inches long. I know it doesn't show right here because it's twisted up and it's up, but my hair is now 21 or 22 inches long. It's like waist length, definitely. So I've bought some things from Temu to try and protect my hair a bit more, see if I can grow it butt length. So I'm trying to do that. So I bought this here for whenever I don't want to put on my, what you call it now, my head tie. I can just throw it over for the time being, and then when I'm going to my bed, I put on the head tie. For this one, I don't know what is this. Let me check. Oh yes, this bag is for when I'm going to run. I'm going to try and lose the weights. You see this? It's a whole heap of fat. Heap of fat going on there. So I definitely want to get back fit. Yes. This tree don't look cute or something. But anyways, alright, so this is like a waist bag when I'm going to run. Alright. So I like these gifts. It came just in time for the video. It's my belated birthday, so and plus I got 500 subscribers and I thank you guys so much. Alright, so this is another one. It has like a silky thing in. This is one of the things that I mentioned I was going to get for my 22-inch hair. It's growing, growing, growing. I want to protect it now. So this on the inside is very good because it's going to prevent my hair from breaking. Can probably even wear it on the road. You know, I'm not like that. Not like that. Alright. What is this? Oh, it's so big. What's another thing? This. Oh, wait, I'm have to do that. Alright, so this is the scarf, guys, that I wanted for my hair because the other tie either slip off, too tight, dries out my hair, etc. So this silk or satin scarf is going to make my hair hold, last a bit longer, what you call it now, prevent it from drying out. So this is nice. Now these are some cutesy stuff that I bought for my hair. Alright, so what is it again? Oh Lord, what happened to the light? Oh Lord. Oh God, what happened to the lights? It's a party. Alright, so the lights went off. Let me do this again. Ooh. Alright, so these lights can overheat and it's not overheating. So it shuts off by itself. Overheated. Anyway, so this one now I bought for my edges. What is this? If we can only encounter each other rather than stay with. Okay then. If I did do this quote this on it. If we can only encounter. I don't know this one. Whatever this means. Alright. So this I bought for my edges, guys. So whenever I don't want to do my edges. So it's a lot of them. So a lot of them. The cake is in my nail. It's a black cake. About these. But guys, for those that are watching the video, I keep on forgetting you're there because you're so silent. So this is what I bought for my hair. For my edges. So sometimes I don't want to use the wax. So I'm just gonna use these, and it's paint. It kind of looks like paintings, and you guys know I like painting. I like art, so it doesn't even matter to me if it doesn't go with an outfit. It's just so cute. Look at these, almost look like paint. All right. So what else is in the bag? Let me turn this down. All right, so that's those songs that I played or that I am playing is from YouTube. I use those for when I'm just going to do like a silent drawing, and I also have my theme song on it. So yes, what is this? Oh yeah, what is this again? Oh yes. So it should go on my head. This. When my hair is sketched up like that, you can just go in. Okay, I'm thinking about it. It's not 200, you know. It's almost 1 hour already. Alright, so this is it. You can put it on your head like that, and the ear just sticks down and it keeps prevents it from breaking. Alright, so as I mentioned, sometimes I don't want to do my edges. So I bought some headbands, different colors. So cute. Alright, so I have these colors. For my edges, for different outfits. Cute. Soft. Temu, I go on with things, you know. How much you pay for this? $5? You got $5 pay for the cost. $5. Alright, so this one is another set of headbands. Trust me, this package was so cheap because if you buy it in Jamaica, it's a lot of money. Look at this band, so cute. So these ones are a little bit brighter than the other ones. This one, this is almost, it's the same though. Oh yes, this is what I definitely needed. It matches my clothes. I have confetti everywhere. So like that. I think this is good for daily use, any outfit. So yes, I have this for my hair. Like the video. It's a lot of headbands, guys. A lot of headbands. Alright, so I have different colors again. I have more colors. I feel so bad. Like I'm buying too much stuff. Too much stuff. Buying too much stuff. Buying too much stuff. But these were cheap, guys. They were on sale. You couldn't pass it up. They were on sale. I feel bad. Oh my god, look at this. Alright, so all of these are advanced. And this is a brown one. Alright. So all of these are for my hair. And I have more coming. So just stay tuned for that Temu video that I'm going to upload. I really like those painting stuff though. But open one. Looks so beautiful. And as an art teacher, I'm representing. I gotta represent. What is this now? Love yourself. Love yourself. That's Temu. That's Temu. Can wear as Bunnies can wear as a ribbon like thing. It's so cute. Looks like painting. Thank you for subscribing, like the video. Thank you for 500 subscribers. What is this? I didn't open this one. What is this one? Alright, so, oh, yeah, so this is what I actually put on my head, guys, to keep my hair from going all over the place. It's a, what do you call it, a wig cap. So this is what I use to keep my hair down, prevent it from breaking. Kind of keeps the moisture in, but not for too long. So that's why I bought the silk one, or the if it's not silk, it's what again, satin one. All right, so that's why I bought that one. But I have a lot now, a lot. This was very cheap on Temu, so I bought some more. Yes, it was a lot. Alright, so that is what I got for my birthday, my belated birthday. And thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, commenting. Did I say commenting now? Or I said commenting? Alright, thank you guys so much. And I love my phone tripod. I will be doing some more vlogs. I'm going to record daily and then bring it to you in one video, so you can go. You're going to see different videos from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in one video. And I think I'm going to make it 1 hour or 30 minutes. So yeah, so this tripod will help me how to do this. So put up my phone. It's not a iPhone, guys. I don't have iPhone money yet, even though I may have it, but I spend on other things like Temu. But nevertheless, I get my tripod so I can do more vloggings outside. As you realize, guys, I haven't been vlogging as much, and I love vlogging, you know. I love vlogging, so this tripod is gonna help me out so much. All right. So now for the final wrapping up. Oh Lord, I'm thirsty. All right, so the gift now that I got myself, the gift that I got myself for 500 subscribers is this cutie patootie right here. Yes, guys, I should have done a thumbnail and take some pictures. Confetti. I don't like this one. This should have been here. Oh. This plant's not working out at all. Alright, so this is the gift that I got for 500 subscribers. So let's open that together. Stop shaming the balloon. Keep on place, man. Why you shaming, man? Come down, shame me. Shame me, should I put it? Oh. Alright, so this is the gift that I got, guys. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you guys. Why this balloon keep on share me? Leave yourself, man. Keep steady. Don't share me, man. Keep up your ball. Couple more minutes. Do. So, alright. Alright, there it is. It's okay. Leave us there. Alright, so yes guys, this is what I got. Just to remind myself when I made that mark, because I don't remember when I hit 100 subscribers, even though I made a video with it. I'm gonna try and find that video. I think I had to take it down because it had got copyright. I had used a copyright song on it. So I don't remember when I got 100 subscribers, but I'm gonna search for that video. So this is what I got, guys. Cute. And I have something coming in, but it's late. Alright, guys. Should I put it here? I'm gonna put it here. Alright. No, probably I can't put it here. Probably I have to put it down. Can I open this? I don't even know if I can open it. Oh, the confetti went in the glass. Where's the napkin? Alright, so this is fake glass, guys. Fake glass. Alright, oh my god, pull this down. You never pulled one of these before, no? I've never pulled one of these. I'm so scared. Alright. I'm afraid. Jesus, I'm afraid. Afraid. You police. Wait a minute, may I have anything for you? Lord Jesus, I'm afraid. Jesus! Give me a heart attack. Jesus, Father, how make it happen so Lord? No, sir, don't do that. Not put no more like this. I'm too afraid. No, sir, I can't do this. I can't do this. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 Nice. Nice. Alright guys, so this is for us, guys. So let's cheers. Let's cheers, guys. Thank you. Alright guys, probably some showing so. Alright. Thank you guys. Alright, so I opened my gifts. I showed you guys the cake. I showed you guys the champagne, not even champagne, the sparkling wine. I showed you guys the gifts that I got. You guys will see the full setup on the video that I'm going to post. And this is the gift that I got myself. I have one coming in, so stay tuned for that video. And you guys see the cake, my tripod, and everything. And it's almost 1 hour. We have like 5 more minutes, and then we can go. I'm gonna stay on this live for 5 more minutes. If you're just coming on, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. It's a good birthday celebration. Thank you. I didn't even get to blow this thing. Oh God. Wait, it looks like New Year's. When did I see this New Year's? This is cute. This New Year's. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Happy birthday to me. Happy belated birthday to me. Thank you. I'll try my best to stay consistent. Stay consistent. So guys, thank you so much. It's been a great night. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go now. Continue to share. Continue to like. Continue to subscribe. I will assist you in whatever you need in terms of CSEC or anything that I post. Just comment down below and I will answer your questions, guys. Ensure to like the videos because it helps the algorithm to send out my videos, to basically send out my videos and to recommend my videos to others, okay? Alright, so do that for me, please, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I have many more and many more ideas to come. I'm going to end the live here. I post videos. Well, I'm not going to start posting ear videos more often because I realize most of you are here for the ear videos, and I have no problem doing the ear videos if you want to see ear videos. I do art. I like interior designing, architecture. I like what else? I like to vlog also, but sometimes I forget that I want to vlog on that day. So if you're into those things, just stay tuned, subscribe and watch. Alright guys, I have different contents coming on this channel. Alright guys, so you have to just stay tuned, and I thank you guys. Alright, so this is it, just to remind myself when I hit that mark. Even if it's the only mark I'm going to hit, it's still a good birthday gift. It's still a good thing for me, alright? Because at first I wasn't consistent, but I'm going to try to stay consistent. It's been motivating so far to post those videos, to see that the videos are helping. Persons are not commenting and telling me that the videos help, but when I do see subscribers personally, they say they share the video, they tell the other person to watch the videos to get ideas, to do this, to do that. But even though I like them to comment, they're not commenting. They rather just tell me face to face that they like the videos. But when they comment, they help the video. but they're not doing. But I appreciate just the same, just the same. I thank you guys. All right, guys. So I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Artwork fly.